The human body, every individual is identified to be physical body seen by everyone. It is this body that projects an image of an ordinary person, that of a magnetic personality. People do to great lengths to project the best possible image. Everyone wants to know how it can be done better before one can, that it would be necessary to understand that the human body correctly. The human body is a master creation. All of the science and technology put together cannot create anything close to it. Scientists have tried to unravel unravel the mystery of the human body to give it a longer lease of life by protecting it from diseases and sickness. It has been possible to study the human body in minute detail and very often to correct life-threatening problems, yet life and death continue to remain a mystery. The science of genetics explains that individual is born from the union of sperm from the father and ovum from the mother. The characteristics of individual depend upon the genes carried by the sperm and ovum. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's okay. Since there are millions of sperms carrying a variety of the combinations at the time of union with the ovum, which carries the genes from the mother, it is difficult to project what a child would look like. This makes every individual unique. The sperm and the ovum are known to carry genes of desirable and undesirable characteristics. No control is possible over them. Therefore, one has to content with characteristics one is born with. Science has been able to minutely study different systems like the nervous system, circulatory system, and digestive system, the locomotor system, and other the contributes the human body and the work in unison, each system supporting the others. All the systems are regulated, though the controlling system located in the brain. The ability to see, hear, speak, and move and perform other human functions is also controlled by the brain. When different systems fail to work in harmony, sickness creeps in. If attended to the time, the body becomes normal again. With the time, there is a gradual fall in performance of the different systems, ultimately resulting in the system failure and the death. Hindu religious texts written over 2500 years ago contend that the human body is a vehicle driven by soul. While the body has a limited life, the soul lives forever. The relationship between the soul and the body is like of a driver and a car. One cannot do without the other. By itself, the soul can do nothing. In the same way, the car cannot move about without the driver. The soul, like any driver, brings with it knowledge and experience of the past lives and desires to drive the car accordingly. However, the body is endowed with a variety of senses that compel it to attract it to the environment. This causes a conflict between the soul and the body, with winning and losing depending upon the circumstances. This car wears out with use. Finding it no longer used, the soul leaves it to take on a new body through the another birth. Aura. The word aura is used to describe the distinctive atmosphere of a place, person, or a thing in the relationship to the human personality. The word is used to describe a supposedly invisible force surrounding the person. The word is frequently used in parapsychology, parapsychology, and refers to a subtle field of luminous multicolored radiation surrounding a person like a halo. It is said represent or be composed of vibrations emerging from the individual and the reflects of the person's thoughts and feelings. It is contending that the specific meaning can be derived from different colors of the aura. Together, they reflect the emotion of the person. Some people believe that auras could be viewed by the naked eye. However, this is a controversial claim. Most people disagree with it. It is also believed that the auras reflect personality traits and also physical health. This is possible because good health is an essential element of the magnetic personality. It is also explained that the auras cannot be seen in total darkness or if the person or object is not directly visible. Modern metaphysics explains that the aura represents the electromagnetic field. This can be demonstrated through Caroline photography. I don't know what is this. Caroline photography is named after Simon Caroline, who discovered that when the object placed on the photographic plate is connected to a source of high voltage, small corona discharge create an image on the plate. Ignore my voice because I'm not feeling well. बुखार है तो बस गला भी इसलिए फ्लू की वजह से आवाज़ थोड़ी मे बी डिस्टर्बिंग है. खैर, back to the point. No. Placed on a photographic is a small corona discharge creates an image on the plate. Caroline's work is often referred as an electrophotography and also corona discharge photography. According to the Caroline, I don't know यार, कितने अजीब नाम है इनके. The image of living objects for proof of the life force or the aura that surrounds all living beings. He demonstrated his concept through photographs of a fresh leaf and how the image gradually vanished when the leaf gradually died. An important aspect of Caroline photography was ability to show the acupuncture points in the human body. There are many who do not agree with the Caroline's work and offer alternate explanations. However, his work seriously drew attention to the possibility of a magnetic field around every person. Okay, let's think over it. Every man is valued in his word as he shows by his conduct he wishes to be valued. Okay.